it's crazy how that one white cloud is just fucking moving through the fucking black cloud, dude. Look at that.
Move it! Look how fast it's moving, too.
Dude, it's flying.
Oh my god. Look at that.
Dude, look at that, dude. Holy shit. Dude, that shit is fucking moving.
Look at it.
Wow.
Here comes a raid, too, right behind it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, dude.
Dude, that's crazy!
Oh, yeah. That shit is moving.
How long can you video camera for, dude?
Dude, I could videotape this for 9 hours.
How? It doesn't stop after a minute?
No, not mine. Not the way I got it set. Dude, look at that.
Wow.
That shit just moved right over us, dude.
Right over it. Like, what was that?
Dude, it was like a minute.
Right?
It just moved from behind the trees, dude, right over us.
And it's still moving.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
just we're in the dark spot. You can't really tell.
Have you seen the lightning?
Yeah, right in front of our face, dude. Oh.
Wow. Wow. Dude, I'm gonna be like the crazy motherfucker, dude, just standing here fucking waiting for it.
I know. I was just thinking that. What if we just got the first video of something that's just crazy, unexpected event?
Waiting for it.
We got the clouds up right now.